Hello everyone. So now we're looking to get chapter-wise mark distribution. Okay. So exam is around the corner. Exam is around in 30 days, which is in Feb 15. Okay. Almost we have 30 days. And I hope you all have already prepared for your exams and preparing for your exams. And this video will help you to understand where the majority of the marks lies on. So many students will be focusing on simple topics, but does that actually matters? Will that be a fruitful one to invest your time on simple topics? Okay, so this chapter wise mark distribution will give you a better clarity on where you need to focus more and you can practice more. Gate is always about numerical problems, and you have to practice more and more and revise a lot. Okay, so hope you all do well. So now we'll look into GATE Physical Chemistry chapter-wise mark distribution. So here I've arranged everything in the high weightage to low weightage topic. So you can clearly see. Okay, so you can see that quantum chemistry. In quantum, it's the most high weightage topic, and for sure you can expect minimum 3 to 9 mark questions. So what is the minimum is 3 mark and the maximum is 9 mark. Okay, but on a comparison, if you see the last 3 years they have asked a high weightage. Okay, they asked almost like 8 5 to 9 marks. So this time on 2025 we can expect somewhere between 3 to 5 mark. Okay, because they always prefer to keep a very steady flow of marks. They will not put like a heavy weightage topic altogether all time, and physical chemistry has a lot of topic to focus on. Okay, so that's very prominent. And likely if you see the chemical kinetics is surprisingly almost very steady. You can almost expect 5 marks, which is a not negligible topic, and it's very simple. But nowadays the questions are more focused from your um, photochemistry, and then your advanced topics like activated complex theory, collusion theory, enzyme catalysis. So you have to focus more on that side. Okay, and when it comes to thermodynamics, so thermodynamics also includes your statistical thermodynamics and chemical thermodynamics. So you can see here the questions from the last 2024. Okay, this actually includes 2 questions from your statistical thermodynamics also. Okay, and statistical thermodynamics is asked in almost 1 question from statistical thermodynamics is asked every year, almost like in last 4 to 5 years. And then your thermodynamics, so you have to focus on statistical thermodynamics also along with your chemical thermodynamics. Okay, so chemical thermodynamics and statistical thermodynamics are again one of the major topics. Okay, and then comes your electrochemistry. So electrochemistry they didn't ask a question from in 2024, so we can expect for sure 1 question in your 2025. Okay, that's a guaranteed one, because if they didn't ask a question, that too on a such a hot field like electrochemistry energy sectors, there'll be for sure 1 question from your electrochemistry. And then physical spectroscopy, as usual there will be at least 1 or 2 questions minimum. You can expect 3 marks. Okay, so if you are someone who already good at physical chemistry, you need to revise more on these first 5 topics. Okay, so these are your high scoring topics. You have to make sure that you can easily see, you can get 20 marks, 20 to 22 marks you can easily score from this 5 chapters itself. Okay, so once you have finished all these 5 chapters, then you can simply go for your surface polymer, solid state, equilibrium, group theory solutions. So hardly there will be one questions. So it will be a roughly 1 mark to 2 marks will be there. On a whole, you can see that physical chemistry always takes up to 30 marks. So 30 to 31 marks will be asked from your physical chemistry. So we all know that gate question paper includes 2 parts. Okay, one is aptitude, another one is chemistry. Okay, so aptitude there will be like 5 questions of 1 mark each and 5 questions of 2 mark each. Okay, likely for your chemistry it's almost for 85 marks. Okay, so including your NAT, MSQ, so including your MCQ, MSQ, and NAT all together it's going to be for 85 mark. On 85 mark physical chemistry occupies 30 mark. Okay, 30 plus mark, so leaving only 50 mark to, so 55 mark for the inorganic and organic. So physical chemistry is a altogether a heavy weightage topic and focus more. And you can also see that in 2024 they have asked for 38 marks. That's the very highest mark ever given for the physical chemistry. So hope you all focus well. And if you are someone who is not that good or that great at physical chemistry, so what you can do, still you can go for your chemical kinetics. Kinetics is one of the easiest one. And then focus on physical spectroscopy, surface, solid state, group theory, equilibrium. So there will be one questions from all these topics, so you can still get almost like, so if you cover only these topics, you will get almost 3 to 4 marks. You can guaranteely expect 3 to 4 marks from this topic. And chemical kinetics will for sure assure you 5 marks. So easily you can get for like 8 to 10 marks. Okay, so this is the simplest way. So now we'll go to organic chemistry. So on your gate exam is quite on the simpler side and more on the reagent sides. So it's like they'll be testing more of your general knowledge and your understandings. Okay, there won't be any much complex questions, but the syllabus is vast and there'll be a mix of questions. So as you can see, if you see, the reaction mechanism almost include 10.5 marks, almost like 10 plus 11 marks. Okay, and reagents is 3 plus mark. And name reactions almost 2 marks. And stereochemistry almost 2 marks. And reaction intermediates hardly questions. Okay, so the reason why I arranged all these in this such manner is that if you want to score on the organic, and if we are good at these topics, so these topics are always intermixed. There will be questions separately also, but for a better understanding, if you want to score better, you have to focus on all five together. Okay, you have to be good at stereochemistry, reaction intermediate, reaction mechanism, reagents, name reactions. Then you can for sure say that okay, I will get this 15 mark. Okay, this is a like you cannot skip something. Even if you skip, what happens, like you can skip name reactions for sure. Okay, but stereochemistry, reaction intermediates, reagents and mechanism, majority of the questions are sum up of all these topics. Okay, so which you cannot avoid. And also your aromaticity or GOC and aromaticity, these will be included. So these six topics altogether, there will be like for sure 15 to 18 marks. Okay, if you are good at organic, you can easily score it. If not, please don't waste your time. Just focus on stereochemistry and GOC and aromaticity. Okay, and then you can again focus on pericyclic photochemistry and organic spectroscopy if you are not that strong in organic chemistry. And if you look at the other topics like organic spectroscopy, that is a one of the second weighted topic. Okay, other than reaction mechanism, organic spectroscopy carries almost 4 marks. So make sure that you focus more on that and practice well also. Okay, and pericyclic is a easy question, and photochemistry just one question will be there for sure, so why to waste. Okay, these topics, if even if you want to study, it will take hardly 1 day you can finish the topics. Okay, and biomolecules, nowadays they are asking a constant questions, at least one questions from biomolecules, but it is not necessarily needed. And heterocyclic, if you are well known, then you can. If not, you can simply skip. And if you see altogether, in organic chemistry they are asking questions almost from 26 to 28 marks. So this is the average you can expect. On an average, you can expect 26 to 28 marks from your organic chemistry. So the first highest weightage topics of your gate exam will always be physical. Okay, and then your organic, and then your inorganic. So you have to put your focus accordingly. Okay, at last now we'll look into inorganic chemistry. So inorganic is the most favorite subject for many of the students because of its simplicity. And as you all know, coordination will always have a high weightage, almost around 7 marks, and organometallic in 6 marks. So these two topics, if you are sure, you can for sure get 12 to 14 marks easily. Okay, this is on a rough average, I'm telling 12 to 14 marks you can easily get. Okay, and you can also see into main block. Main block is a bit tougher side. If you are not prepared really, like if you haven't prepared, don't trouble yourself, just leave it. Okay, and bio inorganic is a simple topic, you can easily score. And you can also see Last year they have asked only one question, so this time 2025 you can expect one more question. Okay, so that's one of the high weightage topics so far, like not high weightage but it's a compulsory topic. Okay, so you can still trust, maybe there'll be one or two questions from bioinorganic chemistry. And F block they didn't ask in 2024, so there may be a chance. Okay, and chemical bonding, it's a simple topic, so I don't think they would ask, it's up to them. Okay, and inorganic spectroscopy you can see continuous years they are not focusing on, so there is a good chance 0 or 1, it's always a probability. Nuclear acid base they haven't asked, and for sure they will not ask also, it's not that bad. So nowadays since exams are getting tougher and tougher, people also prefer to make the question paper even tougher. And you can see here in last 2 years the questions from inorganic chemistry has been fixed, they are asking only for 20 marks. Okay, which compromises very less to your total marks. So total is 85 marks. So out of 85 marks, 20 mark is from your inorganic chemistry. So balance 65 mark will include, in 65 mark we know that 30 mark is for your 30 to 35 mark is for your physical chemistry, and organic will be rest. Okay, so it will be equally divided. So put your focus more on physical and organic and less on the inorganic. Okay. So hope you all understood this one. Also, you all know very well that physical chemistry in gate exam point of view, it's very simple, straight to the point. You all you have to know is the formulas. If you get the formulas correct, you easily get the marks. So please focus more on the physical chemistry, and that's where the highest scorings are. Okay. So hope you all understood this one. So do let me know if you have any more further doubts, or if you need any more further clarification. Please let me know in the comment section. Thank you. Happy learning.